In this video, you'll learn how to enable two-factor authentication on your Envato account. This process will enhance your account security by adding an additional verification step Begin by logging into your Envato account using your credentials. Once you are successfully signed in, navigate to the account settings section. You can find this option typically represented by your profile icon or username, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. After you access your account settings, look for the section labeled Security or Login Protection. This is where you can manage various security features for your account. It is advisable to perform this setup using a trusted device to ensure a smooth process. Next, select the option to enable two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as Enable Two-Factor Authentication or something similar. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after selecting this option. You may need to link an authenticator or auth or verify your phone number. Once prompted, enter the required verification code that you receive either from the authentication app or via SMS. This step is crucial as it ensures that only you can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. Pay attention to any prompts or notifications on the screen during this process. After successfully linking your authentication method, be sure to save your settings to activate two-factor authentication. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, you will now need to enter a verification code each time you log in. This additional measure significantly improves your account's security against unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.